fought in the Battle of Panipat in 1526? A. Mughals vs. Afghans. B. Marathas vs. British. C. Mughals vs. Rajputs. D. British vs. French. Answer. A. Mughals vs. Afghans. This battle marked the beginning of the Mughal Empire in India, where Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi. Who were the main parties in the Battle of Plassey? A. British vs. Marathas. B. British vs. Nawab of Bengal. C. French vs. British. D. Mughals vs. Rajputs. Answer. B. British vs. Nawab of Bengal. The British East India Company defeated Nawab Siraj-ud-Daulah, leading to British control over Bengal. Which year did the Battle of Buxar take place? A. 1757. B. 1764. C. 1780. D. 1790. Answer. B. 1764. This battle solidified British rule in India after defeating the combined forces of the Nawab of Bengal, Nawab of Oudh, and the Mughal Emperor. Who fought in the First Battle of Panipat in 1761? A. Marathas vs. British. B. Mughals vs. Marathas. C. Marathas vs. Afghans. D. British vs. French. Answer. C. Marathas vs. Afghans. The Maratha Empire faced a decisive defeat against Ahmad Shah Durrani, leading to a significant decline in Maratha power. Who was the primary leader of the Rajputs in the Battle of Haldighati? A. Akbar. B. Maharana Pratap. C. Prithviraj Chauhan. D. Rana Sanga. Answer. B. Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap fought against the Mughal army led by Man Singh, marking a notable resistance against Mughal expansion. Which parties were involved in the Battle of Talikota? A. Vijayanagara Empire vs. Deccan Sultanates. B. Mughals vs. Rajputs. C. British vs. Marathas. D. French vs. British. Answer. A. Vijayanagara Empire vs. Deccan Sultanates. This battle resulted in the defeat of the Vijayanagara Empire, leading to its decline. Who fought in the Battle of Waterloo? A. British vs. French. B. Russians vs. French. C. Prussians vs. Austrians. D. British vs. Spanish. Answer. A. British vs. French. The battle marked the end of Napoleon Bonaparte's rule, with Duke of Wellington leading the British forces. Which parties fought in the Battle of Ghagra? A. Mughals vs. Afghans. B. Mughals vs. Rajputs. C. Mughals vs. Kingdom of Bengal. D. British vs. Marathas. Answer. C. Mughals vs. Kingdom of Bengal. Babur defeated the forces of Bengal, reinforcing Mughal authority in the region. In which year did the Battle of Asai occur? A. 1799. B. 1803. C. 1818. D. 1820. Answer. B. 1803. This battle saw the British East India Company defeat the Marathas, enhancing British control in India. Who was the leader of the Mysore Kingdom during the Battle of Seringapatam? A. Hyder Ali. B. Tipu Sultan. C. Raja Vodeyar. D. Krishnaraja Vodeyar. Answer. B. Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan fought against the British during this battle, which ended Mysore's resistance. Who was the primary opponent in the Battle of Argaon? A. British vs. Marathas. B. French vs. British. C. Mughals vs. Rajputs. D. British vs. Sikhs. Answer. A. British vs. Marathas. The British victory at Argaon led to increased British dominance in India. Which year did the Battle of Chaucer take place? A. 1530. B. 1539. C. 1545. D. 1555. Answer. B. 1539. Sher Shah Suri defeated Humayun, forcing him into exile. Who was the emperor during the Battle of Kalinga? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Ashoka. C. Bindusara. D. Samudragupta. Answer. B. Ashoka. The battle led to significant loss of life and ultimately changed Ashoka's views, leading him to embrace Buddhism. The battle was part of the British expansion into Punjab. Who led the Mysore forces in the Battle of Mysore? A. Hyder Ali. B. Tipu Sultan. C. Raja Vodeyar. D. Krishnaraja Vodeyar. Answer: A. Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali fought against the British forces during this conflict. Which country did India fight against in the Battle of Kargil? A. China. B. Pakistan. C. Bangladesh. D. Nepal. Answer: B. Pakistan. This conflict took place in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir. Which war was the Battle of Gettysburg a part of? A. World War I. B. American Civil War. C. World War II. D. Revolutionary War. Answer: B. American Civil War. The battle was a turning point in the American Civil War, resulting in a significant defeat for the Confederacy. In which war did the Battle of Verdun take place? A. World War I. B. World War II. C. Napoleonic Wars. D. Franco-Prussian War. Answer: A. World War I. It was one of the longest and costliest battles of World War I, between France and Germany. Who was the main leader of the Greeks at the Battle of Thermopylae? A. Leonidas. B. Xerxes. C. Pericles. D. Themistocles. Answer: A. Leonidas. King Leonidas of Sparta led a small Greek force against the much larger Persian army. Which major figure led the French forces at the Battle of Austerlitz? A. Napoleon Bonaparte. B. Wellington. C. Frederick the Great. D. Alexander the Great. Answer: A. Napoleon Bonaparte. This battle is often regarded as Napoleon's greatest victory against the combined forces of Russia and Austria.